ginger egg tomato casserole, or ginger egg tomato roast, or ginger egg tomato bowl. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the egg recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the tomato recipes and one of the most unique of the tomato casserole recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the egg roast recipes and one of the most unique of the egg tomato roast recipes, one of the most delicious of the ginger root recipes. We're going to make ginger egg tomato casserole. We have taken around 35 grams of ginger, around 25 to 30 shallots cut into pieces, 15 grams of garlic, salt to taste, 1 green chili, and 2 eggs which we have boiled and taken off the shells, 2 tomatoes which we have cut into pieces, and pour in 10 ml of oil. Let the oil get heated. Put in the shallots and the garlic. Saute thoroughly. Saute the shallots and the garlic thoroughly. Keep on sauteing. Thoroughly saute. Until the shells become yellowish in color. Keep on sauteing. Put in the ginger and the salt. Saute thoroughly. Saute and mix. Saute. Thoroughly saute and mix. Do this until all shallots become golden brown. A spoon of chili powder and a quarter spoon of turmeric powder. Salt thoroughly. Put in the tomato pieces. Keep on salt. Salt the tomato piece. Pour in 50 ml of water. Keep on sauteing until the water evaporates. Smash the tomato pieces. Keep on sauteing. Put in the eggs. Mix the eggs with the rest of the mixture. We make superficial cuts on the eggs so that the mixture gets nicely applied on the eggs. Thoroughly mix. Pour in 200 ml of water. Put in the green chili. Mix. And cook. Close and cook for around 15 to 20 minutes. Cooking for the required time. Open and put in some curry leaves. Mix. Then let this mixture cook for a minute. Now the ginger, egg, tomato roast is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final ginger tomato egg roast or ginger tomato egg casserole or ginger egg tomato bowl. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the egg recipes and one of the most unique of the tomato casserole recipes and one of the most unique of the ginger root recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.